machine is sitting over there. That's where they washed it. The problem is that there's lots of water in the dirt in there, because of course the water has to go somewhere. So now the plan is they want to move this, there's some equipment over here. Guy's bringing the loader. Yeah, he's gonna move these two pieces here so that the drill rig can go on the concrete and avoid that mud, because over here it's pretty dry. So have to lock the thing, and when it's up completely you cannot put it in. You have to put it down. You have to put the whole trailer down and then lock that pin. I'm going to raise it pretty high because the exit from this facility has a big hump. And then there's a railroad crossing. On the way to the freeway. It's not going anywhere. The guy gave me a good tip. He says this machine is missing the locking bar. Locking bar. So this whole thing can move. And I said, "You're kidding me, right?" He says, "No." He says, "You see, there's supposed to be a locking bar in there." He says, "It's best if you secure the trailer to the tracks, or secure the machine to secure the house to the machine." Or I said, "How about if I secure it to the trailer?" And he said, "Yeah, maybe you can do like this." So that's what we had to do. Otherwise, he says technically it can turn, this whole thing. You know, you're driving, you're whistling a nice, Christmas song, and then this thing starts turning. That would surprise a lot of motorists. It would catch a lot of motorists who already have bad driving skills. And when they try to avoid this thing on the highway, we don't want to create that kind of a challenge for them. Alright, I think we're good. Now what do I do with this one? like, you know, my motto, over secure, no wait, under promise, over secure, and over perform. Now, last thing I checked, my broker still didn't send me customs paperwork, and I didn't see my permits yet, so I'm guessing they're not in a rush. So I think I'll just start driving towards the border and take it slow. But of course then I'll have to wait at the border for 2 hours after I give them the notice that I'm crossing. This thing is not oversized. It's all within my trailer, within the edges of my trailer, so I don't need any flags. I'll just probably put 2 in the back, in the very back, because I do have my oversized load signs. I have 2 flags in the front on the truck. So, what do you guys think? I'm just gonna put 2 flags in the very back. Just checking to see, make sure that this one is not loose. Okay, this one goes in here. Oh, we should be good. And then I'm not gonna even bother about the height. Well, maybe in the back, but it looks legal because I moved it before. Like when I moved the big one, like looks like this, except it was like 93,000 pounds. That one was tall. But I'll double check the rear. I'll double check the height in the rear. Man, it's hot. So here's that railroad crossing I was talking about. But now I'm at the maximum height. Both in the front and in the rear. Yeah, I'm okay. Like, it's a very stupid design over here, you know, because you cannot see anything from the right unless you go like this. Alright, so now I can see. And of course these guys, they, you know, there's a sign on the opposite side that says signal your turn. You see, like this guy, he's supposed to signal because the main road goes this way. So it's hard for me, like I'm sitting here, right? I have no clue. You see, like this guy, this red guy, he's supposed to signal. This guy should not signal because he's on the main road. But of course people get confused what they should not do. You see, like this van, the dry van, I mean the Dodge van is signaling, and that's very helpful in this situation. I had to unhook my strap because it was stopping me from seeing the right side. And my tablet died again. I should have switched it off, but as I was loading there, sitting for almost 2 hours. No, wait, now it's 11:40. I was there, what, at 10? Yeah, okay, like a couple of hours. And it was sunny. It really doesn't, these tablets are really not designed, you know, for a truck. They're very trucker unfriendly. So it died on me. Like, I put in the destination, everything was good, and then I look in the mirror, I see there was a piece sticking out, 1 foot on the left side, some kind of a box, and it's sitting on a hinge. So I just took it off, put it on my bed. It's like a small box, but there's no way to turn it, so it was sticking more than a foot past the track on the driver's side. And because my permits are all ordered for, you know, regular width. So before I hit the freeway, I gotta remember to drop my trailer, because my trailer now is pretty tall. That guy is backing into a field. So yeah, this was quick. So now we are back in Milton. Now we can take this curb lane. So people in the back are jumping for joy. You know, but only as high as their safety belts allow. Wow, there's only 3 guys. Come on. So now Google wanted me to take some crazy road going straight, because this Highway 25, it goes through pretty much downtown Milton, and it's not a big town, but that highway goes like this. So I don't want to do that. So instead we're gonna do a little detour, because there's a freeway going like this, 401. So if I go that way, that's Cambridge, about what is it, 40 clicks away, 25 miles. But if I go this way towards Toronto or east, I can catch my favorite but expensive toll road 407, and that one goes, you know, like this. I always use it when I can escape some traffic jams, you know. And this intersection looks familiar. No, wait, I don't know this one. Oh wow, shoot. I thought these guys were stopping for coffee or something. And I don't remember, okay, where's the exit? 401 West, we don't need that one. Okay, so this guy, which way is he going? Okay, he's going this way, and that guy is going this way. Perfect. So they're taking 401 West. I need 401 East. We outsmarted the lineup. Is that a cop? What did I do? No, that's not a cop. That's just the guy with a transaxle. Transaxle parts. That's who I use to fix my truck. And they also have a parts warehouse. So yeah, you see 401 East, Toronto. So we're gonna go here. And it's all construction, but again, I'm glad that I'm not really oversized, you know, just heavy. Oh wow, this is a little bit crazy over here. Like these people, whoever designs this. And I see right away, you see like those tire markings on these barriers. All right, I think we're good. That was the most dangerous spot there. I'm just watching my... Oh shoot, I forgot the... I have to stop and drop the trailer. There's a bunch of bridges here. Wow. This is really a little bit crazy. I know I measured in the back. I was 13.3. Just I don't like when it's so tall, you know. Like I think in the front I am position 4, which is usually I have position 2 or position 3.